Alright you guys, so I forgot to say this in the beginning of the video. MJJC FOAMCANNON company giving viewers a 10% discount. So with that being said, I will put their website, I will put the discount code, everything will be in the description box. Alright, so I may put this in the beginning of the video, so enjoy the video. This is a pretty good foam cannon, you guys. I actually like it. I like the design. But other than that, if you're not into, going to other people's sites, I will also post a link to Amazon. I know everybody's an Amazon freak now, so I will post the link to Amazon as well. But as far as the code, I believe the code works on their site, so you can get that 10% off. On their site, they have a whole lot of products that you can look and choose from as well. So make sure you plug in that code when you get to their website. And that will be all. Enjoy the video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a foam cannon. Yes, another foam cannon. And this one was sent out by a company, MJJC. They saw me review a couple of foam cannons on the channel, and they actually hopped in the comments and asked me to review this for them. So they like the way I review my products. Let's go ahead and get into it. On the back here are all the specs and stuff, so I don't have to edit. And if I still have to edit, I will just go ahead and post it up. But there y'all go. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I actually like the foam cannon. They have right here how to use. Right here we have some cool instructions, and I actually like the instructions on this. So it's nice and colorful. It lets you know the parts, accessories. You can contact them for support. It opens up like a pamphlet, and right here it go all your information right here. That one basically saying get the nozzle out. So I'm just gonna take everything out of here for y'all. So right here we have the bottle. The color looks good. I love the blue and white and clear. So that's nice. I'm loving it, you guys. Right here. All right. So since I've been doing this for a while, you guys, I kind of know the tricks of the trade. Right here we have our nozzle. Well, our quick connect to hook this thing up. They gave us some O-rings. So what we have to do is we have to hook up our nozzle to our quick connect like this. And all of this is in the instruction guide, you guys. So that should be good to go. All right, open this. All right, this is basically your water inlet. So you have to put this right on top of here. Try to push it all the way. It feels more like silicone. And right here, you have your ball filter right here, which is interesting. The other filters was like, regular filters. So this is pretty cool. Put this on top, push down, and you twist, and it's on. If you need to change this nozzle, it's in step 1. This is a 1.1 millimeter nozzle. All right. And in here already is a 1.25 millimeter nozzle. So I don't know if you can see it or not. So you see right there, and then it closes. When you open it, you can see it, kind of. Well, y'all probably can't, but I can. So that will be it. That will be it, you guys. So let me go ahead and get into spraying this thing. All right, you guys, so I did get this soap from Costco. Now, the reason why I bought it is because right here it says foam sprayer ready. All right, so for those who's gonna comment and be like, oh, that ain't the foam sprayer, blah 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 blah, it says foam sprayer ready. So yeah, there y'all go. Boom, in your face, in your face. So anyways, when you put this stuff in, basically you have to be a math wizard. Right here it says, for the directions, it says mix 1 ounce per gallon of water in your wash bucket. That's for your wash bucket. It says for foam sprayer, use 1 ounce of wash per 2 ounces of water for heavy foam. Let's see. We have 900 milliliters of soap. Now I have to convert that into ounces. That's why I said y'all have to do a lot of math. So y'all can do all the math y'all want in y'all head. Hey Google, how many ounces in 900 milliliters? So that is 30 ounces. If we go by our calculations of what the company told us to do, because y'all said I don't follow directions, so we're gonna follow directions. So we're gonna divide our water in 2. All right, so we need 15 ounces of soap. All right, so that's what I'm gonna give y'all. 15 ounces of foam soap. You see, you guys, I can follow directions sometimes when I feel like it. All right, all the way to the top. We got 5 right here. So 5. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it, you guys. So I'm gonna have to go against the grain on this one. 10. Oh. Nope. So I did half. Oops. So next time I will calculate everything, okay? But for right now, let's go ahead and see how this thing works. I put too much water into here. My bad. All right. Looks kind of cool inside. All right, you guys, I am going to go ahead. Can't shake it up, so it is what it is. Go up and down and around. Look like a lava lamp. All right, you guys, but y'all get the hint. I should have put maybe like 15 ounces of water. Subscribe and stay tuned so y'all can see me put in the right amount. All right, so stay on the lookout. Subscribe. I'm thinking about getting a different pressure washer for the house, and I'm ready to press the trigger. Now, I did not manipulate no settings yet. This is fresh out the box. And fresh out the box goes everywhere. Now, this is the knob where it's open and closed. I had it closed all the way. Now I have it all the way open. All right, so as you can see, all the way open is better. With this regulator right here, you can tell this machine how much foam you want or how much water you want to use. So right now it's all the way to the closed side. I'm going to go all the way to the left. All right, so that is your regulator. I'm going all the way back to the right. I'm gonna close the middle part up a little bit. All right, you guys, so here goes the final results. I was at 900 milliliters. This is a Toyota Camry, so I sprayed a whole car and I'm in between 500 and 400 milliliters. I would just round it off to 400 milliliters. So right there we use 500 milliliters of soap and water, okay? And the foam came out pretty good even when I wasn't in ratio. So I will go ahead and post up the ratio that's on the back of this soap right here. It's nice that they have this soap. So once again, this soap right here, I got this soap from Costco and it gives you the ratio. So somewhere here is the ratio. I can't see on the screen, you guys. So y'all could pause it, look at the ratio. It went pretty well, you guys. I actually like it. This is pretty nice. All right, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me get a thing. You gotta hook it up to that.
To the hose?
Yeah.
How?
To this.
It doesn't have the female.
You gotta hook this up to this.
Oh, the compressor.
And then you gotta hook that up to that.
Oh, Jesus, help me. Nope.
And then you gotta get this.
Nope. I'm going old school. It always works the same.
You'll be using it in a little bit. And also be on the lookout, you guys. I think I want to get a different water pressure. This is a water pressure washer. I want to get I said water pressure. Oh my goodness, I'm getting old.